ఉంటుందా कॉफी वाला नहीं है बोला खत्म हो गया
Every pandal in Bengal's Durga Puja has a unique theme which shows the creativity, and every theme pandal has a concept. Right now we are standing in Chetla Shango, a club which is for the Firhad Hakim's club, the Minister Firhad Hakim. Here in this pandal, as you can see in that side, this is a Bhagya Chakra. Where we stand is the concept of the pandal. Now there are zodiac signs which revolves from time to time, and you can see the two cocks, they are standing looking at each other. This is an entire eagle. The front portion of the pandal is an eagle with a crown, and there are the other two parts where we can see that the people, the hard-working people of the society who are trying to reach to the top through hard work. And there is another section which is shown who wants to go to the top not through hard work but through other techniques. Here this is a very interesting concept, and you can see that large number of people have already coming in, and that's what puja is all about, pandal hopping. So this is a very interesting concept that this pandal in Bengal, in Calcutta has taken. And also here you see Ma Durga is not, we don't see the traditional structure of Ma Durga. Here, after she killed Ashur, he has actually submitted to Ma all the other ripus, the Shara ripus to her, and submitted to her. That is very interesting. We would be talking to the club people out here. What is this different concept out here?
What we have tried to show in the pandal, basically there are three types of individuals that we have portrayed. The first, if you go to the beginning of the pandal, you will see there is a circle of life where the zodiac signs are given, and on top of that there are two roosters fighting. What we intend to show through that is how every day we are struggling for our livelihoods. That is basically being depicted in that part. If you come to this side of the pandal, you will see there are a few shiny individuals who are climbing the ladders. Here we are trying to show that we are ready to give up all our principles, our honesty, our humanity to go to the top, whatever be the cost at that. But the staircase on which they are going is being prepared by the workers who are working every day sincerely, honestly. Now when you come inside the pandal, you will see basically we are standing inside the mouth of an eagle. The eagle here is showing the power, the supreme power, who decides whose turn it is to come to the come next. But it is the Mother Supreme who ultimately decides who will come to her. Now these people who are coming to the top, when they are going up the staircases, what they find is they are not being able to reach the crown of the mother. Because it is in the crown of the mother, it's the workers who walk sincerely every day in and out. They are the ones who are there. So if you see our Mahishasura here, there are 6 heads in his hands. These 6 heads represent the 6 vices. So Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Modh, Moh and Matsharjo. So mother has killed these 6 vices and has taken Mahishasura to a level of a holy saint. So we pray to Ma Durga that these people, the shiny people, they can let go of their vices and surrender to the mother.
Very interesting concept, and that is what Bengal's Durga Puja is all about. It is obviously about a religious festival, but top of that, it is the people who do the pandal hopping to just see these concepts, these themes, and it is these people, the club people, the artists, all together, all through the year, they actually do brainstorming and come out with such unique ideas as this idea is. So this is what Durga Puja, which is not only a festival, which is not only a religious festival, but a time where everybody comes together and also lot of creating thinking takes place. This is Kumalika Sengupta with Anshuman Roy reporting for CNN News 18 from Kolkata.